Let's make homemade almond milk.
Delightfully GG.
Hello, beautiful people. Today we're making homemade almond milk. This recipe is super easy and super simple. You will need raw almonds and water. Yep, that's it. I wanted to have enough almond milk for the week, so I put about 3 cups of almonds in a bowl and soaked them overnight. I just covered it with water. And then the following morning, which is where this video picks up at, I actually strained the nuts from the water, put the nuts into a blender. Then I used fresh cold water to put into the blender. I do not have exact measurements because I did not measure the water. So as you can see, I ran into a little issue, but before I get to that, let me talk about this bag. This is a nylon produce bag that I'm using to strain the milk, although some fine particles will get through, but they also have milk bags, which I did not know about at the time, but I will link some below. As you can see, this milk is really thick. That's not what I want. I don't want any thick milk. I ended up pouring what I had in the blender out and starting with more water and half of what was in the blender because it was just so thick. Reblended it, and here's a picture showing, or the video footage showing, the amount of milk I had left over to blend next time with more water, because that's really thick and nobody drinking that, honey. Ooh, that's like, look like grits. This is milk. This is the real deal. This is the consistency that you want. So you may have to play around with the water, or I'm sure there are recipes online that will give you exact measurements. But I did want to show you how I made mine. And you know, sometimes you have to add a little bit, take a little bit away. So I needed to add more water. This is where the real work begins. Yes, now this is the time where you strain the milk. You're straining the milk and separating it from the almond pulp. Do not throw away your almond pulp now. You can use it for different recipes. You can use it in cookie recipes, maybe muffin recipes. I use the almond pulp with raw sunflower seeds to make the raw vegan tuna, stuffed avocado tuna. It was so good, guys. I am going to link that recipe down below. I suggest you try it out. It is so good. I loved it. Here is the fresh homemade almond milk. Okay, and here I'm just showing you the pulp that's left over. Trust me, you don't want to get rid of that. That's a lot of waste. So use it if you can. And keep in mind that almond milk is a great dairy-free alternative to cow's milk. It's easy to digest, can reduce bloating, and is also very good for those who have an lactose intolerance or very sensitive to dairy. Well, that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you make this super simple and easy recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Until next time, my friends, have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.